Well, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a position for a data entry personnel, and through our dedicated associates, Condyland delivers mission critical services and solutions on behalf of Fortune 100 companies and over 500 governments, creating exceptional outcomes for our clients and millions of people who count on them. An opportunity to personally thrive, make a difference, and be part of the culture where individuals noticed and valued every day. So it's 3 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. $14.50 per hour with great benefits. So the performs business support and technical work using data organizing and coordinating skills, perform tasks based on established procedures. In some areas require localization training, certification, leisures, or equivalent experience for general profile, ability to perform analytic and operational processes. Entry-level positions and limited requirements for license, training, or certification. Applies experience and skills to complete assigned work, works within established procedures and practices, and works with a close degree of supervision. For functional knowledge, have basic skills in a range of processes, procedures, and systems. Understanding of how best terms integrate and work together to achieve company goals. Impacts a team by example through quality service of information provided. Follow standardized procedures and practices. Receive close supervision. Guidance for consistency methods. Tasks are described in details. Leadership has no supervisory responsibility. Problem solving. Ability to problem solve. Self-guided. Has limited opportunity to exercise discretion. Exchange information and ideas effectively. And then lastly, we have responsibility statements. So receive, process and issues, document clarifications are complete. You may require outbound correspondence for clients to be processed. Receive documents from both electronic and hard copy forms for processing. Source images, documents, files, and shares for files, documents and their purpose. Creating a database of information. Clarify documents based on contract requirements. Capture information based on clients' requirements. Verify data from automated data extraction tools. Ensures transmission of process data to the appropriate next level. Performs other duties as assigned. Complies with all policies and standards. Alright, so they're equal opportunity employer. And if you're interested, just check the link in my bio and apply for this